The Wacky Adventures of Benny the Ball Python. A tale of kindness. Once upon a time in a lush jungle, lived Benny, a lovable and mischievous ball python. Benny, hissing. Hi, everyone. I'm Benny, the ball python, ready for some wild and wacky adventures. One sunny day, Benny encountered a group of mischievous monkeys who loved to play pranks. Benny spots the monkeys in the trees, chattering and giggling. Monkey 1. Hey, Benny, want to join us in some monkey business? Benny, hissing. Oh, I'd love to, but how about we play a kind prank instead? The monkeys look puzzled. Monkey 2. What's a kind prank? Benny, well, instead of scaring others, let's surprise them with something nice, like leaving a shiny gift. The monkeys scratch their heads and exchange mischievous glances. Monkey 3. That sounds interesting. Let's give it a try. As Benny continued his adventures, he stumbled upon a stranded tortoise named Terry, who was trapped between two boulders. Terry's head pops out from between the rocks, looking worried. Terry, help! I'm stuck. Can anyone hear me? Benny, don't worry, Terry, I'll save the day. Benny slithers towards the boulders, trying to find a way to free Terry. With Benny's clever twists and turns, he managed to create just enough space for Terry to escape. Terry crawls out, relieved. Terry, thank you, Benny. You're a true hero. Benny, hissing. No problem, Terry. Remember, kindness can make a world of difference. On another adventure, Benny encountered a curious chameleon named Charlie, who loved changing colors to blend into his surroundings. Charlie appears, blending in with the leaves. Charlie, hey there, Benny, check out my color-changing skills. Benny, that's amazing. Charlie, did you know kindness can also make you stand out in a unique way? Charlie looks intrigued. Charlie, really? How? Benny, by being kind to others, you can brighten their day and create beautiful memories together. Charlie ponders for a moment, then smiles. Charlie, you're right, Benny. I'm going to give it a try. And so, Benny the ball python continued his wacky adventures, spreading kindness wherever he went. From playful pranks to daring rescues, Benny learned that being kind can lead to extraordinary friendships and unforgettable experiences. Benny, hissing. Remember, friends, let's be kind to one another and make the world a happier place. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video for more entertaining and heart